Good morning guys, welcome to another video by AntiquesArena. My name is Walter Neal and well, I got another haul video for you today. Got some really nice collectibles and one or two antiques. So really hope you enjoy. There are some really good quality pieces in today's video. I'm going to start off with some coins that came in yesterday because they're going to be sold now in a minute, or some of them are. I'm waiting for my regular to come in this morning. It's Thursday morning, and I have a gentleman who comes in and buys all my new coins. So I'm going to film these pretty quick and then we'll move on to the other bits in case he arrives. So we're going to start off with this large solid bronze medal. And this is for 1100 years of the Royal Mint. So it's a really nice medal. I would imagine this cost a fair bit of money if you bought this from the mint. I'm going to have to improve my lighting, guys. I need a bit of lighting directly in front of me. But really nice coin. What I'll probably do, I'll take some photos and I'll add them in. If I step aside, I'll add some photos in so you can actually see the photos of it. And this is a numbered one. 743 is stamped on the side there. So we've got a large, it's twice the size of a crown. It's a large bronze medallion for 1100 years of the Royal Mint. And you have the two monarchs, one from 1100 years ago, one from now, Queen Elizabeth. So I looked online. The dearest one they're asking for is £89 for this token or medallion, and the lowest one is about £45. So it's an interesting coin, and I'm not sure exactly what I'll get for it, but it'll go this morning now, hopefully, or it'll go onto my eBay, one or the other. But I think, to be honest with you, my money's back off this one. Next one I had was an 1891 Queen Victoria crown. It's really nice. It is worn. It has lost a bit of its detail. But again, even in that condition, that's a £15 coin, no problem at all. Maybe a bit more, £15 to £20 coin. That will go this morning. I had a selection of £5 coins. These are actually worth £5, believe it or not. I see these all the time at the car boot sales. People sell them for £1 or £2. They don't realise they can actually take them out of the packet, go to the bank and bank them worth £5. Because it says £5 currency on them, they are worth £5. So I had those two, which are the Queen Mother's birthday, 90th birthday. And I had this one here, which I'm not sure what it is exactly yet. I haven't researched it. It's a £5 coin, but it's got all the flags of the nations on it. So, yeah, interesting one. We'll have a little look at that in a bit. But these will be gone this morning. I don't get fortunes. These £5 coins I sell for about £8, a little bit above their face value. And this one will, because it's more unusual, will probably go for a tenner. The final coin I had was just a standard 1951 5 shillings or crown. Just a pretty standard coin. I sell them for about 3 or 4 quid. So that's nothing special. But all in all, I should get, let's say, 25 for those 3, 40, 65, 70, 80, about £85 back for my £40 outlay. There's nothing wrong with that. It really isn't. I don't mind that. I'm going to double my money and they're going to go relatively quick. So that's them filmed now before he comes in and buys what coins he likes. Now, as you know, I went out before Christmas and I bought a lot of quality stock and I didn't get a chance to film it all. Well, a few buys here from the same Saturday before Christmas, and we can start off with this jug. Now, I can't even begin to explain to you the quality. Every single bit of this jug is cut glass. It is spectacular. It's got good age, it's hand blown. All this, you've got strawberry diamond cut in, you've got hobnail cut in, you've got everything. Look at it. It weighs a ton. It's about 2.5 kilos, this jug is. Even the handle, coming down the handle here, is all cut and notched. It's got a star cut pontle on the base. It really quite is something quite special. Now, I only paid £5 for that. Now, this isn't a modern piece of pressed Bohemian or Polish crystal. This is proper hand-blown, hand-cut crystal. Now, I've put £65 on it. Now, this is a potential sleeper. From the quality, you'd swear it was early Waterford. You really would. And I got to do a bit of research, because if it is, then this is probably worth 200 to 300. Some of the earlier Waterford pieces are stupid money, and from the quality and the weight, it could very well be. But at the moment, I'm selling it just on the quality of what it is at 65, and I think that's cheap. I think if you can find out who made that, there's serious potential left in that piece. I don't know if I told you how much it come in. It was either £5 or £6 in Splott on the Saturday before Christmas. He was asking £6. But I bought a couple of pieces, so I think he may have knocked it to a £5. I can't quite remember a minute. But it was either £5 or £6 in Splott Market. In Splott Market also was this spectacular cut crystal fish. Now you can see my price on there. I've put £30 on there, and this again cost me a £5. It's about a foot long, maybe a bit longer, and it is all cut, beautifully cut. Look at the cutting on that. Now if you like fish. Now, I don't really go for the gaudy coloured end of day glass fish, but this crystal one really did stand out to me. I thought it's a beautiful piece on its quality, and for £30 it's a novelty piece of crystal. Same Saturday, same boot sale, Splott Market, I bought this piece. And we have a 1930s solid silver topped cut glass decanter. Beautiful Art Deco piece. Look at the stopper on that, all beautifully cut. All these shoulders and all that are all cut. Now the year mark was worn, but I dated it off the maker's mark there. Do you think I can remember who it was? I'll have a look in a minute. I'll put it in the description who the maker was of this. The stamp dated it's 1927 to 1937, but it's a beautiful piece in lovely condition, no chips, no cracks, and this was a tenner. But I see this at, I'm probably going to put it on eBay for about £65, £70, something like that, and wait for an offer. Final bit of glass. This one I purchased off eBay. I got fed up and bored over Christmas while I weren't going out, so I thought I'd have a little browse on eBay. And goes to show you can find things on eBay. And I not only did I find something on eBay, when I relisted on eBay, I'm going to use his original photographs, because his photos were good too. Now if we start at the glass, it's hand blown with a ground and polished pontle, plenty of wear. It's cut glass. Here you've got this thumbprint in, you've got this cutting up here, nice little fan cutting around the rim. It's a really nice piece. Then we come to the top here, we have the plaque. It reads biscuits with the spiral rope. Nice piece, made by Hukin and Heath, one of the best names there was. All the top people worked from, like Christopher Dresser. It is a stamped up piece, Hukin and Heath. Now, as I said, I was bored, and this was on eBay, and I paid £26 for it. But I honestly see it at 100. So this will be going back onto eBay for 125, or nearest offer, and it'll be put in a box, wrapped up and forgotten about. And somebody, whether it's tomorrow or next year, will offer me £100 or close to £100 for this, purely based on the name, the design and so forth. It's a beautiful, beautiful biscuit barrel. It's not the larger one. If it'd been the larger one, I'd have been more money. But I still think it's worth 100. So, moving on. My final thing for today's video is a set of prints. Now, a friend came in yesterday, well, I say friend, he is a friend, but another dealer. He knows what he's doing. And he said, I got some stuff to show you. Are you interested? I said, yeah. And he comes in with these. This is the first. I'll show you all 4 of them. And look at that. Beautiful colours. Real nice image of the dragon. You know, World Dragon. Now, it's limited edition. It's artist signed. And it's limited edition number 96 of 600. Comes with the certificate of authenticity from the back, and it is by Prakono Wick. Release date is June 2005. So that's the first. Now, not a lot of people like prints. These are all done by Glissy. I think I'm pronouncing that right. And I've had a couple of Picasso prints by them and sold them well too. We have this one, which is Crystal Cave. It's all a sort of mythical image. I'm not sure if they're lithographs or prints. That's just a print. Again, 2005, Bracone Wick Praco Nick. Yeah. And this one is limited 121 of 600. Again, artist signed. They're just really nice images. And if you're into that sort of Dungeons and Dragons and Game of Thrones and all that sort of stuff, I would imagine this would appeal. Look at the colours. I don't know if I'm capturing it really well here, but this is spectacular. It's got this deep rich green against the blue. It's gorgeous. Again, 96 of 600. Artist signed down here in pencil. Lunar Dragon, this one's called. Certificate again on the back. And the final one is Purple Dragon. And yep, it's a purple dragon. Same details. Oh, this one's early. This one's only number 12 of 600. That's a really nice early print. Pity we're number 1. If it'd been number 1, it'd have had a premium. But 12 is still early. And details on the back. Now, he came in and he said, I'm looking for a tenner a piece. And I said, absolutely fine, I'll give you a tenner a piece from the nice decorative prints. With paperwork and everything, and signed and numbered. I thought, I'm not going to struggle. He actually then turned around to me and said he actually paid £50 each for them a while back, but never got around to doing anything with them. So he actually took a loss of a tenner to move them on because he didn't want to do nothing with them. I've had a look. There's none of these ones on eBay, being all currently active. And private sites are asking anywhere from £40 to £80 per print for these. So I'm thinking maybe around £40 each is about right. If I achieve £30 each, that's fine, but I'm thinking I'm going to ask 40 and we'll see what I achieve. I'm going to try them in the shop first for a little bit. I'm going to put them into the shop window purely because they got that lovely look that I like. And I think in the shop window, just put one out at a time, £40 on it. You know, and I think there's enough people around here into that Merlin and all that type of stuff that these dragons might go. They're going to catch somebody's eye. So yeah, that's it, guys. The glass, well, it's some spectacular pieces of glass there, and it doesn't owe me a lot of money. It really doesn't. 45 quid, give or take, £46 on the 4 pieces of glass. This is going to be a really good earner over there. I think that's it. I'm going to finish up now before my coin buyer comes in. And well, hopefully you've enjoyed having a little look. If anybody recognises the pattern on the jug, you feel free to let me know. I wouldn't mind the help on that one. Guys, thank you very much for watching. Hope you've enjoyed. I'll see you soon. Bye for now.